guys, right now we are in the line for Spaceship Earth. It says it's about 10 minutes. Line is definitely moving fast.
It is definitely moving. I'm excited. First time.
Yeah, first time. So we're excited. Yeah, this line moving. This is great. I was about to say Universal. Epcot.
Epcot, babe.
Epcot. My bad. All right. So we just got off of Spaceship Earth. It was actually a long ride, but it was actually good.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the entire, from beginning to end. It was very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It was definitely good. So now we're here after the ride, and it has different things like medicine, health, energy. Then we'll show you. It's like it's like an exhibit, so it's pretty
Plenty
cool.
of things to do. Plenty of things to do outside of the ride.
Yep. So that's what it is. Having a good time.
Having a great time so far.
All right. So right now, we can't ride Cosmic Rewind, but but they have another queue opening at 1 o'clock. So hopefully we can hop in the queue and actually ride it, because that's what I'm really looking forward to. That's what we're really looking forward to. But
we're gonna ride it.
Yeah.
We're here to ride it. We're gonna ride it. I'm optimistic about it.
Yeah, she's optimistic. So we'll see. Hopefully we get on this thing, because heard it's great. So I'm excited about it. But
yeah. I'm excited.
We'll let y'all know. We'll let y'all know. All right. All right, guys. So we are in the line for a test track. We decided to not get the lightning passes because they told us to come back at 7:10 or 7:30, and it's only a 7-5 minute wait. Everything else is kind of low, so we just decided it
wasn't really worth it.
It wasn't worth it. Not today, at least.
No.
So we'll let y'all know. We'll walk y'all through when we get in here.
Test track. Here we go.
Hello. So, good news. We got in the queue for Cosmic Rewind. I am so relieved. Oh, the stress is gone.
We did it.
She did it. She really got in the queue for us. We was going back and forth, clicking, and she got it. Thank you. We're so good.
We're excited.
We're excited. It was a good day, but it's even better day. It's even better day that we finally got a chance to even get on in the queue. So 3:55 is our boarding time, and we will be there. 3:40. We'll be there.
We'll tell you how it goes.
We'll tell you how it goes, guys.
We made it, guys.
We made it, guys. So Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So finally glad we made it. We made it.
We're here. No turning back.
No turning back.
We're on our way up.
Better not break down.
Don't chance it.
Yes. Happy, glad we're on it. We'll let you guys know how it is when we get on.
Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
What's going on, y'all? What is going on? As you can see, we just got off Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, and oh my goodness, it was more than I expected. It was so good. So good.
So good.
Yes.
I wish we could ride it again.
Yes.
This is at the top.
This is definitely one at the top. Definitely at the top.
One to beat.
The music was good. We actually got the front row, which was great. Just I don't want to ruin it for anybody, but it was so good. It is definitely up there.
Out of this world good.
Yeah. Like I say, I'm like, okay, it's good. It'll be okay. You know, it's straight. I really wanted to ride it though, but it exceeded my expectations. It was
I agree.
couldn't say it, but we were with everybody, like our whole team that we was with was laughing, was screaming. It made it even better. It was so
my
good.
face hurts
Oh my
from
God.
laughing, screaming, all of the above.
Yes.
Check.
Yes, it was great. So great. So,
you gotta try it.
Yeah, you definitely have to
You
try
gotta
it.
come to Epcot and try it.
This is really the only reason I want to come to Epcot is to ride this, and it was perfect.
He got his dream come true for him.
Yes, it was perfect.
Would have been a bummer
Great day.
trip.
No, it was still good.
Okay.
But this is a better trip. Great. All right, we'll catch up with y'all later. Deuce. What's going on, guys? What's going on? We had a great time at Epcot, but this is the end for us.
The end.
The end. There was a lot of food, a lot of with the festival going on and everything like that today. So I would definitely say come out. Food was definitely not expensive. They had different types of food. Personally, my favorite was the oxtail.
Oxtail.
Yeah, the oxtail.
with rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Very spicy, but pretty good.
It was good. I like it. It was perfect. It was perfect for me.
Perfect.
Yeah. And then
nachos.
Nachos.
We had some bowls, poho chicken bowls.
Yeah, chicken bowl.
We had a lot.
We had a lot of stuff.
Funnel cake.
Oh yeah, the funnel cake was on point.
So good.
Funnel cake was on point. She had that with the ice cream. We had so much food. She had
Oh
the
my gosh.
pineapple stick.
Pineapple with seasoning. So good.
Yeah, we had a lot.
We tried everything that we could.
Yes.
And everything was really good.
Yes.
I have no regrets. No really dislikes.
Yeah.
Most of them were likes.
Yeah. Food, like I said, the food was definitely on point. As far as the rides, hey, Cosmic Rewind was at the top.
The bomb.
by far. Cosmic Rewind was awesome. It was so good. So good once again. Man, I don't know. I just wish we could keep going again and again.
Yeah.
But
we give Disney their props on that ride.
Yeah.
They
most definitely.
They did their thing on that one.
Most definitely.
They did.
It's not actually one of my favorites. I only rode it one time, but it's definitely one of my favorites. If you watch it on YouTube like I did, I kind of cheated, watched it on YouTube because I was so excited. It doesn't compare to when you actually get on the ride.
Gotta ride it.
When you get on the ride, you be like, yeah, it is not the same as a video. But it was definitely great.
Definitely want to come back to Epcot to ride it again.
Yes, 100%.
It makes you want to come back.
Yes.
So it's worth it.
Yep. So with that being said, we're about to head out. Right now it's 8:20. They got a show at 9 o'clock, but we're gonna head out right now. So this is the deuces. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. SD Ventures. We appreciate the love that y'all have been giving us thus far, these past few months, and we're gonna keep it going for y'all. All right, cheers.